viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So here in last video I gave you information how to create a multiple wallet in your Raven core wallet, because sometimes you need to hide your privacy and you don't want to see your final balance, so you must create a multiple wallets and you can easily take a balance or deposit. But in this video I am giving you information how to find private key of your any wallet of Raven coin. You can easily search your private key or find your private key with debug window. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. So please watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can see here I already make video about how create a multiple wallets. You just simple go to my website or my YouTube channel and watch that video. That video is very informative for you if you want to save your save your privacy or hide your panels. Okay, so now I'm going to open a Raven coin core wallet, because today we are going to find our private key of any address. Okay, so now Raven coin core wallet is open in front of me, and if I need to find the private key, so this is so simple and easy. You can see here the interface. I have not balanced this time. This video is only for educational purpose, and please don't use my information for your personal information for personal use, because if you use personal use, it's maybe you lost your all fund. Okay, so if you need to find your private key, let's suppose I'm going to click on receive. You can see here I have this time one wallet. I just simple double click on it, and you can see here this is the my Raven coin core wallet address, and I want to need find private key of this wallet. Sometimes you need to import your wallet or restore your wallet, so you must have your private key. You must also have your backup file, but you also must have your private key if you need to import specific wallet. So I want to find the specific wallet private key. So how can I do? First I need to copy this wallet ID or wallet address. Just simple copy address, go to the close, and now you can see here there is the option help. The first option is that file, second wallet, third is help, and the first option is that debug window. I just simple click on debug window, and there is also available 5 options. First information, the second is console, third network traffic, fourth is peers, and 5 is wallet repair. I also give you information in my incoming video how can you repair your wallet. So you must watch my incoming videos. Okay, so now going to click on console, because today we are going to find our private key. Welcome to the Raven coin RPC console. Use up and down arrow to the native history, negative history, and control to clear screen. Okay, and you must read the warning. You must, before using any command, you read the warning. Scammer have been activated, telling you to type command here, selling your all wallet content. Okay, first you need to properly understand about the commands, which command you are going to enter, and what the final final instruction of in this console area. So you just follow these steps if you want to find the wallet private key. So which is the command? So which is command is that dump dump private key. Dump private key. This is the command. I'm just going to copy and open the notepad file, and this size will be font is bigger for easily you can notepad file and note, just simple click OK. This is the command, dump private key. Dump private key, this is the command for find your private key. You can use same command with your Bitcoin if you want to find the Bitcoin for private key in Bitcoin Core Wallet and also Dogecoin Core Wallet. So you can use same command and same method. So I just going to again open console. You can see here console is open. I have right here dump private key command and then press spacebar and then control V. Sorry, I have by mistake not copy. Just again open and copy. This is my wallet address. Just copy and open again console. Command is already. I'm just going to paste here my address and press enter. Now you can see here I have successfully find the private key. This private key of this wallet address. You just simple go to the copy all information about address and private key, then paste in your notepad file. Now just simple first resize the font because I want to save, and now paste here. You can see here this is my wallet address, and this is my private key. It's just simple right private key. Stop this video. After stop this video, I will save this notepad file in my safe place and also save in USB drive and also write in CD drive and also external drive, because sometimes my window will be corrupted. So that information will be help me if I want to import my wallet. Because I hope you properly understand. And if you want to get more wallet address private key, you can use same scenario. Like I'm going to create one more wallet for you. This is my new wallet is generated. Just simple copy address, go to the again console area, type the command dump private key, spacebar, paste and enter. Now the private key is shown here of this wallet. You can easily get or find your private key of any address of Ravencoin, but keep in your mind you can only find private key which is you are using on your system. Okay, and you can use same scenario with your Bitcoin core wallet, Dogecoin core wallet, or any other core wallet. You can use same command and paste the address, and then you can easily find the private key. So yes, I hope you probably understand how can you find the private key in Ravencoin core wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWalletsInfo, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is CryptoWalletsInfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. If you're going to click on Altcoin, you can see here I already make the many videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Electrum, Namcoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guada Wallet, Quantum Wallet. Let's suppose I want to get the information about Green Desk Wallet. So just simple click on this tab. And you can also go to the Google and type the CryptoWalletsInfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you. You can just open the tab which is you want to get the information. Like I want to get the information about Green Wallet address. You can see the new page open in front of me. Green Address Wallet. How to change the primary email from Guada Wallet. How to reset your 2FA verification Green Address. How to create a multiple Bitcoin wallets. How to withdraw amount from Green Address. How to deposit Bitcoin in Green Address Wallet. How to recover Bitcoin Green Address. So I already make the many videos. You can see here many videos. You just simple go to this website and get the information. So we will meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.